Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are
BOSH.
BOSH. We've got another recipe for you today. It's our Veggie Tikka.
It's a lot healthier than the normal tikkas. It's very, very delicious as well. You're gonna love it.
Let's get cooking. Why are we cooking a tikka, Ian?
Well, we're gonna cook a tikka because tikkas are extremely popular here in the UK. I love a tikka.
The problem with a tikka though is if you go to a curry house or maybe pick one of those jars up in a supermarket, it's going to be packed with naughty things. It's going to be high in salt. It's definitely going to be swimming in oil.
Yeah.
Which, well, it's not really what you want in your life, is it?
No.
So for us, we like our dishes a little bit healthier, or at least at the moment we do, because it's summertime.
Yeah.
And so we're making a really healthy veggie tikka for you today. It's low in oil, it's low in salt, it's delicious.
Now we jack this bad boy up with loads of vegetables. We've got okra in there, we've got kale in there, we've got tomatoes in there, and one of my all-time faves, sweet potato, man.
Don't forget the chickpeas for protein.
Yeah, exactly.
Got to get that protein in. But the other cool thing about this dish is there's just a few ingredients. There's under 20 ingredients, which means it's really, really quick. And the reason for that is instead of, as usually with a curry, you'd get about 10 different spices, 5 to 10, and combine them all together. Sack that off. We want quick, easy, simple cooking for this one. So we've got a tikka powder with all the spices pre-mixed.
Now this is the sort of dish that will absolutely keep the whole family completely satisfied. You should probably double cook the amount that we've told you to cook because you can have it for lunch the next day.
Great idea. It also makes everything cheaper, both in terms of your time and your investment, because you won't be getting those takeaways in because you're making your own takeaway.
And what's more, you don't actually have to stick completely to the recipe here. You could do a bit of fridge raid action, which is really good fun.
There's so many things you could make with this. This is super quick, super easy, less than 20 ingredients. It's our easy veggie tikka.
Shall we have a little nibble?
Let's nibble on the tikka.
Woohoo!
It looks incredible. You know, this is quite a thick curry. Chunky would be the word. We like quite a chunky sauce. So there you have it. That's our gorgeous veggie tikka. Let us know what you thought in the comments down below. Hit like and of course be in touch with us. Subscribe to our channel so we can give you more lovely vegan food like this.
And if any of your mates are into curry, tag them.
Before we go, this is our brand new cookbook, How to Live Vegan. It's the how and the why of going vegan. It just gives you all of the information and reasons you would need.
Now listen, it's not preachy at all. It's just full of really important, sometimes hard-hitting facts.
In this modern day and age with climate change, we talk a lot about that. And this is the perfect answer to your mum, dad, sister, friends who might be wondering why you've gone vegan. This will tell them.
You can grab a copy right now at all good bookstores, all good online retailers. It will improve your life, genuinely.
And we'll put a link in our bio, so go grab a copy.
Bish.
Bash.
BOSH!